Hello everyone. Dr. Poppy's acting very strangely today. She's asked me to come over here to the spare parts store to look for some traffic cones, but I can't find them anywhere.
Hello everyone. It's Gecko's birthday today, so I'm trying to keep him away from the garage while we set up his surprise birthday party. Lots of Gecko's friends are here to help out, and we have a list of things to do. We need balloons, ice cream, music, a birthday cake, games, guests, gifts, and some party hats. Well, it looks as if the balloons are nearly sorted. Well done, mechanicals! Here comes Vicky the ice cream van. You can't have a party without yummy ice cream. And here's Amber the ambulance. The loudspeaker on her roof will be great for playing party music. I wonder how Gecko's getting on at the spare parts store. I hope Florence is keeping him busy.
This spare parts store is such a mess. I can't find those traffic cones. Let's keep looking, Florence.
We have balloons, ice cream and music ticked off the list. Now we need to make a birthday cake. First, we need the ingredients. Dylan is carrying the flour. Sid has the sugar and the cocoa powder. And here comes Trevor with butter and eggs, fresh from the farm. We need to mix all of the ingredients together. I know just the mixer. Celia! Now the ingredients are mixed and poured into that giant cake tin, we need to cook the cake. It's far too big for my kitchen oven. What are we going to do?
I found this controller for the truck wash, Dr. Poppy, and it appears to have a party setting on it. Shall we see what it does?
Great idea, Robbo. Press the party button. The truck wash has changed into a giant cake baking and decorating machine.
Let's put it in.
Look at that cake rise! Now the birthday cake is getting decorated. The icing is green, just like Gecko. And finally, the cake just needs a few candles. Brilliant! That's the cake done, so we're nearly ready. I wonder if Gecko has found those cones yet.
Oh dear. The traffic cones are orange. We've sorted out all of the orange things, but still can't find them. Keep looking, Florence. They must be here somewhere.
What do we have left on our list? Games, guests, gifts, and party hats. Ah, here come the games. Ryan has a piñata filled with sweets. And Sophie has a giant parcel ready for a game of Pass the Parcel. And here are all the guests with their gifts for Gecko. Just the party hats left to get.
Found them! Phew! Come on, Florence. Let's take all these cones back to the garage. I wonder what Dr. Poppy wants them for.
Shh, everybody. Here he comes. 3, 2, 1. Surprise!
Oh my goodness! What a lovely surprise! Thank you, everyone. What an amazing looking cake. But just one question. What did you need the traffic cones for?
They make the perfect party hats for your vehicle friends, of course.
Haha!
Happy birthday, Gecko! Thank you for visiting Gecko's garage today and helping us with Gecko's surprise birthday party. Bye!